you making?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very delicious ice cream using pineapple and tamarind. This is a guilt-free, delicious, nutrient-dense ice cream that takes your ordinary pineapple ice cream to another level. I'm gonna start by making tamarind juice. Get a pod of tamarind, deshell it, remove the stringy part, and you only need the fruits. Then of course you get rid of the seeds later. Place it in a clean bowl. Pour in some hot water over it. The water should cover the fruit. Set it aside until it cools. Once it cools down, stir it constantly until the water looks like the fruit. This is what it should look like. You're gonna need pineapple. You can use fresh pineapple, but I strongly encourage you to use frozen pineapple. It is less work and it gives it a creamy consistency. You're gonna need 2 cups of cut pineapple. Pour it into a blender. I'm using a can of evaporated milk. You can use condensed milk if you prefer, but in that case you don't need sugar. It is advisable to refrigerate the milk before use. Since we're not using condensed milk, we're gonna add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of rose water. Rose water is optional if you don't have it. Add a tablespoon of tamarind juice. Then blend it. I'm using the smoothie setting of the Ninja blender and I'm gonna blend it twice. This is gonna give it a very nice creamy consistency, and of course it's gonna whip in more air. If this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. This is what it looks like. It looks like a very creamy ice cream made with just cream. I'm gonna be pouring it into this silicone mold. You can use whatever you want. What is better than a cute, delicious ice cream? Let me use this time to send out a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. I'm gonna pour the leftover in this ice cream cup. Since my mold does not have any cover, I'm gonna cover it with foil paper. You can use plastic wrap or whatever can act as a cover. Freeze it and it should be ready between 3 to 4 hours. This is why I like homemade food, because you are in control of the ingredients. You can add or remove whatever you want. You can make it as healthy as possible and as cute as ever. Take a look at this ice cream. Look at the way it pops out. Have you ever? Is this not the cutest of them all? This ice cream is indeed irresistible. The taste, the shape, and even the health benefits. And if you tell people that this is pineapple ice cream, nobody will believe you. Trust me. It does not taste anything like pineapple. The flavor is explosive and I really don't know how to describe it. Nobody would think that this is a fruit ice cream because it looks like the real ice cream. So now that you know how to make pineapple tamarind ice cream, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you, you're gonna enjoy it because it is so delicious and people are gonna wonder what flavor is added to it because the taste is very unique. If I must say, uniquely delicious. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.